Hello friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal. Hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. आशा करता हूँ आप सब लोग मजे में रहेंगे और आप हमारी रेसिपीज को देखते रहेंगे और उसको पसंद करते रहेंगे. So today I have got another interesting recipe for you, and there is a special thing about this recipe. This particular dish all of you buy for your kids and you buy it frozen. Don't you believe this? So you say don't give frozen food to kids, don't give, and kids love this. So this is one of the classic fast food dishes. So today I am going to show you how you can make this fast food frozen product very easily at home. You can store and give it to your kids whenever they need, or you can make it fresh and give it to them also. So you must be wondering what is this recipe. But before I tell you what recipe it is, make sure if you like the video, you show the thumb icon, you press the bell icon, so whenever we put interesting recipes like this, you get an instant notification. And if you are new, subscribe to the channel. And we know this recipe is going to put a smile on a lot of mummies, so because they know how to make the most favorite food of kids. What is it? It is the chicken nuggets. Yes, the same chicken nugget you eat at all the fast food joints and kids love it. So we're going to see how to make chicken nuggets and what all you need for it. So what I have got is a 250 gram of chicken breast. You have to always use chicken breast because it's nice and soft and it has less sinews. तो हमको 250 ग्राम के करीब चिकन ब्रेस्ट है. इसको हमने अच्छे से चॉप किया हुआ है स्मॉल पीसेस में और इसको फ्रीज में चिल किया हुआ है. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जो मिक्सर का पॉट भी है उसको भी हमने आधे घंटे डीप फ्रीज में रखा था. सो नेक्स्ट थिंग गोज इज 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped, salt as per taste, then what we need is a mustard. So you can use a half a teaspoon of mustard, which gives nice flavor. And a teaspoon of vinegar. You can use any vinegar you get. I am using apple cider one. And for some spice we are adding some black pepper powder, around a teaspoon or so. That's it. So we have added black pepper and we are adding teaspoon of our dried mixed herbs. If you have fresh, you can use that. So हमने हमारे चिल किए हुए मिक्सी बोल में चिकन, गार्लिक, हर्ब्स, मस्टर्ड, विनेगर और सॉल्ट ऐड किया है. और ये पूरी रेसिपी मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी हुई है. ये 250 ग्राम की रेसिपी है. आपको ज़्यादा बनाना है तो जस्ट ये रेसिपी को डबल करना है. सो द रेसिपी इज देयर इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. नाउ लेट्स गेट द paste or a mince of this mixture. So our chicken nugget mixture is nice and ready. We have taken it out from the blender and we have to just give it a good mix and shape them into the shape of nuggets. Now while you are mixing this, if you see there are any threads or sinews, then you can just remove them by hand. Now I will show you how to shape the chicken nuggets. So I am wetting my hand with little bit of water and then take a small portion. You can roll it to make it tight and crack free. Then you create a nugget shape and you can just pinch it like this and by hand. So this becomes a chicken nugget shape. Then place it on side. You can finish all of them like this. Again I'll show you one more. Take a little bit of water on the hand, roll it, then press it by hand and just pinch it to make a nugget shape of your liking. Actually you can involve your kids also in this activity so they can make shapes of their liking. So we have shaped all our chicken nuggets, and by the time we make the preparation ready for breading them, keep them in the fridge to chill for around 10 to 15 minutes so that they are easier to handle. So for breading our chicken nuggets, I have got some refined flour or maida, to which I have added some black pepper and salt. So this is a seasoned flour. I have got one egg which I have beaten it nicely and added some salt to it as well, and some breadcrumb which is there. So step is, with one hand you take your chicken nugget, dust it in refined flour to coat its all sides. Then shake off the excess flour, you dip it in the egg wash, coat all sides, remove the excess, then you put it in the breadcrumb. With the other clean hand, you cover the nugget with breadcrumbs on all the sides, very lightly shake off the excess, and your nugget is ready. Then you can keep it aside and take the next one. So our chicken nuggets are beautifully breaded. Before you fry them, just chill them for 10 minutes because sometimes they get softer, so they are difficult to handle. So just chill them for 10 minutes and then you can fry them, or you can straight away freeze them well in an airtight container with a parchment paper or plastic in between so that they don't stick, and you, whenever your kids ask, you can just fry them and eat them. So oil is hot on a moderate heat. We will shallow fry our nuggets into that. So let us add them in a moderate oil. Don't overcrowd the pan, just 4 or 5, 6 are good enough. We'll cook them on one side and then turn them over. So our delicious chicken nuggets are ready. They are healthy because they are homemade. There is no artificial things into it. Pure chicken and some breading. So the super delicious chicken nuggets are fried and ready. I am going to taste and show how delicious they are. But before I do it, make sure you press a thumb icon if you like the recipe. If you press a bell icon to subscribe and to get notification of our channel. And all the mummies who are there, make sure you make it for your kids and let me know in comment box how did it turn out and how much your kids liked it. So let us taste and see it. Delicious. So as always, before we finish all the plate of nuggets, stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy cooking.